Brush and branches are unloaded by the truckload at the Berwick Recycling Center.
First load up today, 4 loads yesterday.
The reminders of Wednesday's storm piled high as homeowners take advantage of the sunshine while they still can.
Trying to get it done before tomorrow, before the rain starts.
This storm was like no other for residents, including Rick Weaver, who has lived here his entire life.
And the trees were just literally bending straight down. And you could hear the cracks and all the different tree limbs just falling.
Despite what many suspected, the National Weather Service says a downburst hit Berwick, not a tornado.
Well, it was roaring. It was just, when you can't see 2 feet out the window, it's raining and sleeting and the wind's just blowing, and it was bad.
Still, trees fell just about everywhere, on homes, on roads, and on power lines. Some neighbors were luckier than others.
It came right down on my trailer. So I had to cut all the limbs up and the brush, but the stuff that was on the trailer, all I had to do was cut the ends off. It was already loaded.
It's been all hands on deck for everyone around the borough. Even the recycling center is opening its doors to give people a place to throw debris.
When Berwick's down, we get up and we stick together.
As they continue to clean up, working to return to normal.
There's a lot more to do, but I don't have a chainsaw. So I have a buddy of mine coming over. Hopefully he gets in between the rainstorms, this weekend, and we can get some bigger stuff chopped up.
This entire pile of brush and branches will eventually be turned into piles like this of mulch, which residents will be able to use. The recycling center will be open from 8 until noon on Saturday. Melissa Steininger, Newswatch 16, Berwick.